Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels make thousands of dollars just by posting simple celebrity news videos? Well, let me introduce you to Star Slurr, a channel that has generated over $27,000 in revenue with only 66 videos. That's right, this channel has less than 3,000 subscribers, but has gained over 1.2 million views, proving that you don't need millions of followers to make money on YouTube. And the crazy part? Their video editing style is incredibly simple. They just find trending celebrity news, write an engaging script, generate an AI voiceover, collect video clips and images, arrange them in an editing app, add simple transitions, and export the video. That's it. No fancy cameras, no expensive equipment, just smart work. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process, step by step, so you can start your own celebrity news channel and replicate this success. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll reveal an advanced strategy that can help your videos go viral faster than your competitors. So don't even think about skipping. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Finding the latest viral celebrity news. If you want to make money with YouTube, the first step is finding viral and trending news. And for this, we'll use a powerful source, TMZ. Here's what to do. Open your browser. Search for TMZ. Click on the first result. That's the official TMZ website. Once the website opens, you'll see the latest breaking celebrity news. Your job is to find a trending story that people are already searching for. For example, let's search for Diddy, since his news is going viral right now. See, in seconds, you can find the latest updates, news, and even images and video clips. Simply copy the important details, because we'll need them for the next step. Step 2. Creating an engaging script. Now that we have the news, it's time to turn it into a compelling script, but you don't have to write it from scratch. Just use ChatGPT to generate it for you. Here's how. Open ChatGPT. Use the script writing prompt, which I'll put in the description. Just copy it from there. Paste the information you copied from TMZ, and boom! ChatGPT will generate a full script, including a strong hook to grab attention, a compelling introduction to set the stage, the main story with all the juicy details, directions on where to place voiceovers and images. If needed, you can tweak the script, but most of the time, ChatGPT does an excellent job. Once you're satisfied, copy the final script because it's time to generate the voiceover. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, a high-quality AI voice generator. Why 11 Labs? 10,000 free credits, enough for at least 2 videos. Realistic voiceovers that sound natural, easy to use. No technical skills required. How to use. 11 Labs. 1. Find a voice that matches your content. 2. Paste your script into the editor. 3. Adjust the tone and pacing if necessary. Click Generate and download your voiceover. Pro tip, if your credits run out, you can create multiple accounts to get more free voiceovers. Step 4. Adjusting the voiceover for monetization. YouTube is getting strict with AI-generated voiceovers, so we need to modify the audio slightly. For this, we'll use Lexus Audio Editor, a free app available on the Google Play Store. Download and install Lexus Audio Editor. Import your AI-generated voiceover. Make the same adjustments I'm doing in this video. Export the final voiceover. Now your voiceover is ready for YouTube without any issues. Step 5. Editing the video. For editing, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any video editing software like VN, InShot, or Premiere Pro. Where to find clips and images? Use the trick I shared in my previous video. Find clips on YouTube and screen record them. Use images and videos from TMZ. Search Google for clips and download them. Editing process. 1. Open CapCut and import your voiceover. 2. Match clips and images with the voiceover. 3. Add smooth transitions for better flow. 4. Generate subtitles and adjust their size and placement. 5. Add overlays and effects to make the video more engaging. 6. Once done, export the final video. Your celebrity news video is now ready. Final step, uploading and growing faster. Uploading your video is just the beginning. If you want to grow your channel fast, follow these strategies. Be the first to upload trending news. This increases your chances of going viral. Stay active on social media. Share your videos on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Use catchy titles and thumbnails. This will boost your CTR, click-through rate. Post consistently. Aim for at least 1 to 2 videos per day. Now, let's check out the final results.
The legal battle between Diddy and the FBI just took a shocking turn. His lawyers now claim that federal agents misrepresented facts to get search warrants for his homes. They're saying the FBI twisted the truth and left out key evidence to justify their investigation. Could this change everything? Could this case fall apart before it even reaches trial? Today we're breaking down what really happened, what Diddy's team is saying, and what this could mean for the case moving forward. Hey guys, if you love keeping up with Hollywood's biggest stories, make sure to like and subscribe because we bring you the news first. Let's start with the facts. Sean Diddy Combs has been under federal investigation for serious allegations. Authorities raided his homes in New York, Miami, and Los Angeles, seizing computers, security footage, and other evidence. But now, Diddy's legal team is fighting back, claiming that federal agents used misleading information to get those search warrants. So what exactly does this mean? Well, in the US, law enforcement needs to provide a valid reason to search someone's home. They must convince a judge that there's probable cause, meaning strong enough evidence to suspect a crime. But according to Diddy's lawyers, the FBI didn't tell the full truth when applying for these warrants. Diddy's lawyers argue that the government twisted facts in their search warrant applications. They claim that at least one of the accusers had consensual interactions and that prosecutors ignored key financial motives behind the allegations. This is a big deal because if these claims are true, it could mean that the entire investigation was based on misleading or incomplete evidence, which could make the case fall apart. And this isn't the first time a high-profile celebrity has fought back against federal agents. Let's not forget that in the past, cases involving celebrities like R. Kelly and Michael Jackson also faced scrutiny over how evidence was collected. Some legal experts are now questioning whether Diddy could use similar defense strategies. The FBI claims they have strong evidence, including surveillance footage, digital records, and witness testimonies. However, if Diddy's lawyers prove that the warrants were based on misleading or incomplete information, all of this evidence could become unusable in court. One legal expert stated, if Diddy's team proves this, the case could collapse before it even reaches trial. This raises huge questions about the investigation. If the FBI did bend the truth to get warrants, should the case be dismissed? Or does Diddy still have to answer for the allegations? Public opinion on this case is deeply divided. Some believe Diddy is exposing flaws in the legal system, while others argue he's simply using legal loopholes to escape justice. One Twitter user wrote, if the FBI really lied on the warrant, then this is a much bigger issue than just Diddy. Another comment reads, Diddy has been in the industry for decades. Do we really believe he's completely innocent? This case is far from over, and many believe this legal battle could drag on for months or even years. The next steps will likely include a court hearing where Diddy's legal team will try to suppress evidence they believe was obtained improperly. So what do you think? Is Diddy fighting for his rights? Or is this just a legal strategy to avoid prosecution? Should the evidence be thrown out? Or should he still face charges? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you want more Hollywood legal updates, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be following this case closely.